In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and back up all your Gmail emails. Safeguarding your emails is crucial, especially if you're dealing with important documents or personal correspondence you can't afford to lose. So, let's dive in and make sure your Gmail is securely backed up. First things first, open your web browser and head over to takeout.google.com. This is where all the magic happens. You'll need to sign into the Google account that holds the emails you want to back up. Take a moment and ensure you're logged in to the right account. It's an easy oversight we've all made at some point. Once you're comfortably signed in, you'll notice a list of options. Begin by clicking on Deselect All, as we're initially going to clean up and start from scratch selection-wise. With a clean slate, scroll down until you find the Mail option and check the box next to it. Now, if you don't want a backup of every single email or you're interested in specific folders or labels, Google allows flexibility. You can click on All Mail Data Included. This lets you choose exactly what you want to back up, perfect for when you're managing large amounts of mail. Okay, now let's head to the next phase. Scroll right down to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. This leads us into the Export Settings configuration, where we can tailor how we receive the data. Here's what you do. First, you'll need to pick a delivery method. There are a few choices, but the most straightforward is opting to receive a download link via email. Simple, efficient, and right to your inbox. Next is the frequency. Decide if you want this to be a one-off export or perhaps you're interested in setting up a regular backup schedule. Regular exports might appeal to those continually requiring fresh data backups. Moving on to file preferences, you'll select the file type. Zip is commonly chosen, and a maximum file size. If your emails overflow, larger files will be split into multiple downloads, keeping it manageable. When all these preferences are set, it's time to create your export. Click that Create Export button and know that Google will now start preparing your data. This process can take some time depending on your email volume, so a dash of patience here is helpful. Upon completion, you'll receive an email notification with a download link. Click the link provided in the email, and you might be directed to enter your password again for verification purposes. This step is essential to ensure it's you accessing the files. Once verified, go ahead and download the zip file directly to your computer. And there you have it. A comprehensive backup of all your emails is now securely stored on your device. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.